Hello everyone, it's Mercedes Guy here. I'm going to show you all of the washing machines, tumble dryers, integrated washing machines, integrated dishwashers and dishwashers here at Curry's PC World. This is my local Curry's PC World. I'm going to show you guys all of the washing machines, tumble dryers and dishwashers today. So I'm going to start off with this LG 10 kilogram washing machine. Yeah, that obviously doesn't turn on. Hot point inverter motor 7 kilogram. Drum does not want to move for some reason, but yeah, that's the clearance. All of these ones are clearance, as you can see. Hoover H Dry 500 10 kilogram heat pump dryer. Quite in love with that one as well. Becker 1 to 7 kilogram 1400 RPM spin. Hot point inverter motor 8 kilogram. That one's in black. Hot point 7 kilogram. This is the brushless motor version. Another hot point inverter motor 8 kilogram. Bosch Series 4 9 kilogram. Bosch Series 6 Iron Assist 9 kilogram. Hot point inverter motor 8 kilogram. Hisense steam pure jet inverter 12 kilogram washer. Bosch Series 2 8 kilogram. This one is a newer version of the Bosch Series 2 there. Bosch Series 4 8 kilogram Eco Silence drive. Bosch Series 6 Iron Assist 10 kilogram washer. This one is very similar to what my mom has got, or what I've got, slash what I've got and what my mom has. It's very wobbly, this one as well, as you can see there. The model numbers are different. As you can see, the model number there is very different compared to my mom's model number, which you might have seen in a previous video on my channel. Anyways, LG 9 kilogram washer. Another LG 10 kilogram washer. LG 13 kg washer. This is the heaviest one out of the range here, and this is a new one, LG 9 kilogram, 10-year warranty. This one is a brand new machine. This one switches on as well. That one's a very nice washing machine, that one is. Never seen that one before. Samsung Smart Things. This one is a new type version of the Samsung Smart Things. Another Samsung Smart Things. AdWords version, as you can see there. Another Samsung Smart Things. Another Samsung Smart Things. This one's got a bigger drum. Both of these ones are in black. Another Samsung. Another Samsung Smart Things washer. AdWash version again. Samsung EcoBubble digital inverter Smart Things washer with the auto softener and detergent, liquid detergent and fabric softener, as you can see. This one's got a double glazed door. Another Samsung Smart Things, again with the auto softener and detergent. The detergent cap though is missing on this one. AdWash version again. Yeah, I've not done these ones here. Hot point inverter motor 9 kilogram. Hot point inverter motor 11 kilogram washer. This one's got the Ariston type drum. It's quite weird as well because it says titanium on it as well. Hot point active care inverter motor 8 kilogram washer. Got the active care option on there. Another hot point inverter motor 8 kilogram. Another one in black as well, as you can see. Hot point inverter motor 9 kilogram washer. Hoover HWAS 200 light 10 kilogram washer. Hoover HWAS 600 12 kilogram washer. That one's quite wobbly, as you can see there as well. Hoover HWAS 350 8 kilogram washer. Another Hoover HWAS 350 9 kilogram washer. Hoover HWAS 500 9 kilogram washer. Another Hoover HWAS 200 light 9 kilogram washer. LG 9 kilogram washer. Beko Iron Fast Aquatech B Pro 500 washer 12 kilogram. It's got that new type drum inside. Beko Aquatech Home Wiz 1 to 10 kilogram B Pro 500 washer. Again with the new type drum inside as well. Beko Recycle Type Home Wiz Aquatech B Pro 500 washer. It's got some tape in it. I don't understand why it's got some tape in it for, but anyway. Beko Energy Spin 1 to 10 kilogram 1400 RPM spin washer. This one's in graphite, as you can see. Another hot point inverter motor 7 kilogram. Before I go on to those ones, I'm just going to go through these two. Got an Interset inverter motor 9 kilogram 1400 RPM spin. Beko Energy Spin 1 to 9 kilogram 1400 RPM spin washer. Another one of those ones. Another Beko Energy Spin 1 to 8 kilogram 1400 RPM spin washer. Another Beko Energy Spin 1 to 8 kilogram 1400 RPM spin washer. Beko 1 to 8 kilogram 1200 RPM spin washer. Candy Smart 10 kilogram 1400 RPM spin Smart Touch washer. Got an Interset My Time 8 kilogram 1400 RPM spin inverter motor washer. Got a Logic L712WM23 washer. Another Logic L714WM23 washer. Samsung. Another Samsung, still got this one here. The old type Samsung washer dryer we still have here at Curry's. LG 10.5 kilogram washer dryer. Bosch Series 4 washer dryer, auto dry 8.5 kilogram washer dryer. Hoover H Wash and Dry 300 Lite 8.5 kilogram washer dryer. Dial on, as you can see, is broken off on that one. Somebody needs to fix that. Hoover H Wash and Dry 350 9.5 kilogram washer dryer. Beko Bree Pro 500 wash and dry 8.5 kilogram. And we still have a Beko 7.5 kilogram Pro Smart Inverter washer dryer we still have here. This is a very old one. It's got a very small drum inside, as you can see. Can't believe they still got this very old Beko 7.5 kilogram washer dryer they still have here. That one has been sitting there for like a few years now. And the model of that one is right there, as you can see. Camera doesn't want to focus for some odd reason. There we are. That's the model number right there of that machine. But that's a very, very old Beko Pro Smart Inverter washer dryer. They've still got that here for some reason. Hisense Connect Life Auto Dosing 8.5 kilogram washer dryer with the auto softener and detergent, as you can see. Same what we saw with the Samsungs. Another Hisense Pure Steam and Pure Jet inverter 9.5 kilogram washer dryer. Candy Smart Pro inverter 8.5 kilogram washer dryer. Indeset Push and Go 10.5 kilogram washer dryer. That one's got the Ariston type drum inside as well, as you can see. And now we go on to the tumble dryers now. First off, starting off with a Beko 1 to 10 kilogram dryer. Hot Point inverter motor 9 kg dryer. Hoover H Dry 350 9 kg dryer. This one's a brand new one. Candy Smart 9 kg Super Easy dryer. As you can see, that one there is brand new. Hot Point 8 kg condenser dryer. High and low heat one. Indeset Turn and Go 8 kg condenser dryer. High and low heat one. Logic LCD8W23 dryer. Another Beko 1 to 8 kilogram dryer. Another Samsung washer. Samsung Heat Pump Technology Smart Things dryer. Hoover H Dry 600 10 kilogram dryer. Bosch Series 6 9 kilogram self-cleaning condenser dryer. This one's a brand new one, as you can see right here as well. That one's a very nice one, that dryer. Might get that one day. Got a Samsung Smart Things heat pump dryer. Beko Recycled Dry Iron Finish B Pro 500 dryer. Bosch Series 4 heat pump dryer. Another new dryer. This one is a Samsung Smart Things dryer. I'm guessing heat pump. I'm not so sure about this one though. I'm guessing it is a heat pump dryer, that one. That one's another brand new one. Another Beko recycle dry, Rapid Dry B Pro 500 8kg dryer. Another Beko recycle dry 1 to 8kg dryer. Logic LHP8W23 dryer. This one's similar to the condenser dryer that we've just seen earlier on. Candy Smart Easy Case 8kg dryer. That one's a heat pump one. All of these ones are heat pump ones actually, except for the Bosch Series 6, as you can see right there, because that one's a self-cleaning condenser. And finally we go on to the dishwashers and integrated ones, and also the integrated washers as well. Bosch Series 2 dishwasher, silence one. That one's in silver, that one is. Another Bosch Series 2 silence dishwasher. This one's a slimline one. Logic LDW60W23 dishwasher. Model numbers on the left there. Kenwood KDW60X23 dishwasher. The model numbers right there on the right. Indeset Fast and Clean dishwasher. The door on that one is broken for some reason. It won't close. Yeah, somebody has to fix that because that door won't close. Hot Point Inverter 3D Zone Wash dishwasher. Another Hot Point 3D Zone Wash inverter dishwasher. Hisense Hygiene dishwasher. Bosch Series 6 Perfect Dry dishwasher. Bosch Series 4 Silence Plus dishwasher. That one's quite a bit of a nice one actually. Another Bosch Series 2 Silence dishwasher. Beko Slimline dishwasher. Another Beko dishwasher, Slimline one. Gone, that one is. Samsung dishwasher. Grundig Superdry GR7700 dishwasher. Another Beko slimline dishwasher. Logic LDW45W23 dishwasher. Model number is on the left, as you can see there. Sharp dishwasher. Still got that one here for some reason. Another Samsung dishwasher. And finally we go on to the integrated ones now. Starting off with a Beko integrated dishwasher. The door on that one also won't close properly. Kenwood integrated dishwasher. Another Beko integrated dishwasher. And we have a Bosch integrated dishwasher. All of the integrated dishwashers are going out of their place for somewhat reason. Don't understand why though. And finally, to the integrated washers. Bosch Eco Silence Drive washer. That one's quite a nice one actually. Hoover H-Wash 300 Pro, 9kg. Power Care System 9kg washer. This one's also the gone one. Last chance to buy that one as well. This one here is completely empty. And to finish off the video, We have a Logic LIW812W22 integrated washer with the sharp type drum inside. Something's catching. Oh, that's why. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. This is Joe Mercedes signing out, and peace out. That was all of the washing machines, tumble dryers, dishwashers, integrated dishwashers and integrated washing machines at my local Currys. This is Joe Mercedes signing out, and peace out.